Hi there, Jabel here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain in HighLevel and link it to your website or funnel. But first, let's quickly clarify the difference between a root domain and a subdomain. First, a root domain is your main domain like jobelpascual.com for my case. Then, a subdomain is an extension of your root domain, such as sites.jobelpascual.com. It's often used to organize your sites. But for today's walkthrough, we'll focus on setting up a root domain. First, let's create the A record for our root domain. In this case, we will log into our domain provider. I bought mine from z.com, but the process is similar for other providers like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Now, add a new A record with these details. The host would be the @ record type A points to this IP address. So this IP address comes directly from HighLevel's documentation. It is required whenever you want to connect your root domain to your high-level sites or funnels. Second, let's start adding the domain to HighLevel. In your HighLevel account, let's make sure that you're in the correct sub-account. Then, let's go to Settings, then Domains and URL Redirects. Click Connect a Domain. Choose Website or Funnel, then enter your root domain. For me, it's jobelpascual.com. Click Continue. Now, we'll choose Add Records manually. HighLevel will give us the exact records to set up in our DNS. Here's what we need to add. First, an A record with hostname @ pointing to this value. Then, a CNAME record with the hostname www pointing to this other value. Let's save it. Then, let's return to our HighLevel. Then click Verify Records. Sometimes it may take a while for DNS to update. If you get an error like this, just try verifying again and again until it succeeds. For the last step, let's connect the domain to a website or funnel. Now that the domain is verified, HighLevel will ask where you want to connect it. I'll select a website I created from a template earlier. Let's also set a default page for 404 errors to avoid broken links. You can also confirm the domain connection by going to Sites, then Websites, selecting your site, clicking the three dots on the right side, and choosing Edit. Under Settings, you'll see your domain already linked, but you can update it if needed. Just hit Save. Finally, let's test the domain in a browser. And that's it. We have successfully connected our root domain and set it up in our website in HighLevel. The site is now live on a custom domain. That would be all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.